In this video today, I'm going to be spilling the beans. I'm going to share with you guys 3 items that have made me thousands of dollars at thrift stores and garage sales. The first item I always look for at garage sales and thrift stores are Rock Band or Guitar Hero accessories, specifically the guitar controllers. I used to pick up a bunch of these for $1 to $10 and sell them on eBay for upwards of $250 for some of the higher end ones. However, the ones you get on average are like selling for 50 plus. But still, turning a $1 guitar into a $50 sale is mad profit. It's even better if you can find multiple accessories like microphones and drum sets as well, because you can bundle them and sell them for hundreds of dollars on eBay. But these video game accessories do amazing and they sell very frequently. And also, I do want to note, if you're at a thrift store or a garage sale and you see one of these controllers, you want to make sure you're going for the ones that are for the Xbox 360. The reason being is because the ones for the Xbox 360 don't require a dongle. The ones for the PS3 and the PS4 do require a dongle. So unless you can find the dongle along with the controller, then you're going to sell it for a lot less than you would the Xbox 360 version. So if you don't want to deal with getting a dongle, just make sure you only get the Xbox 360 versions. But literally with any video game accessory, make sure you are looking it up on eBay because it could be worth good money. The second thing that I always try to look for at garage sales and thrift stores are cameras. I've sold a lot of cameras and camcorders because people just want to take those vintage photos. And you can get these for dirt cheap at garage sales. Like in this video here, I'm going to a garage sale and I think I get this camera for like $5 to $8 and I sold it on eBay for $80 plus.
How much would you do for this box of camera stuff? 10? 10? Could you do 8? 8. All right.
Like look, here's a screenshot of some of the recent sales on a camera that was similar to this. Like same brand. I think it's close to the same model, but not the same exact one. But some people don't know the value of cameras, and like you saw in that video, I was able to pick it up for dirt cheap. And if you can find lenses, that works good as well, because then you can bundle them up and sell it for even more money. And look, even if you don't find fully intact cameras, the parts still sell for good money. I mean, look at this screenshot right here. But cameras and camera parts in general can get you a lot of money selling them on eBay. Now, the third thing that I looked for at garage sales and thrift stores that have made me thousands of dollars are books. If you're new to my channel, you're probably thinking, what? Books? How can that make you thousands? And that mindset is exactly why these books can make me thousands of dollars. Because people think books are worth nothing. Thrift stores sell books for like 25 cents to $1. And at garage sales, you can even get them for free. And the reason you can make thousands of dollars from this is because you literally just walk into thrift stores with a database app like Scoutly or Scout IQ, and you start scanning the books with a Bluetooth barcode scanner and you find the profitable ones. It's crazy because you can get a book that's 25 cents and sells for $6 profit. And it's very likely that you're going to find multiple books that are worth a decent amount of profit at a single thrift store. So let's say you go scanning for books at a thrift store and you walk out with 15, which is on average what I came out with. And let's say each book brings you $3 profit. Well, that's going to be $45 in profit for what usually takes less than an hour of scanning. After you include the time it takes to make the shipments and stuff like that, that's $45 an hour. And you might be thinking, oh, but you have to pay the shipping to Amazon, and oh, you have to pay the Amazon fees. Yeah, that's why it's already included in the database apps you download. The database apps for Amazon tell you how much money you are going to make after every single fee is calculated for. And not a lot of people know about this, which is why you can walk into stores or you can go to garage sales and you can get a bunch of books for dirt cheap. Because a lot of people are scared of selling on Amazon. It's too professional. I literally used to walk into garage sales with my phone in one hand, my barcode scanner in the other hand, and I would scan books right in front of the people and they wouldn't care. They'd ask me what I'm doing, I'd just say, oh, I sell books on Amazon. It's not like they're gonna take the books from me and not sell it to me just so that they could sell it on Amazon themselves, because then they'd have to learn how selling on Amazon works. They'd have to get an account, they'd have to get approved to sell on Amazon, and then they'd have to learn how the shipping and everything works, and the average person doesn't want to do that. Which is why a lot of people will actually give you books for free. Then you just take these books and you ship them to an Amazon FBA warehouse, and then when your customer purchases a book, Amazon ships it directly to the customer and then pays you every 2 weeks. But those are 3 things that I try to look for when I'm at thrift stores and garage sales. Hopefully you guys can spot some of these on your next adventure. If you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, please go ahead and subscribe to me right down here. To the left, I have some of my older videos. Go ahead and check them out. My name is Austyn Hustles. I hope you have an amazing day, and I am out later.